Welcome to Roof Solutions and Restoration Inc., your trusted provider in Omaha, Nebraska. We specialize in a wide range of services, including roofing installation and repair, painting and renovation to meet all your construction needs. We proudly serve Omaha and surrounding areas within a 90-mile radius. Our services: roofing installation and repair, painting services, renovation and remodeling, concrete services, tile and marble installation, siding installation, residential construction, deck installation, framing services. With 10 years of industry experience, we take pride in delivering high-quality work and ensuring customer satisfaction. Our expertise and commitment to excellence make us the right choice for your home improvement needs. Ready to get started? Contact us today at 402-995-1129 or 402-208-7027. You can also visit our website at roofsolutionsrestorationinc.com to learn more about how we can serve you. Thank you for considering Roof Solutions and Restoration Inc. We're looking forward to building your future one brick at a time.